Hi everyone, we hope you're having an amazing day so far. My name is Dina and this is my dog Diesel. He has nothing to do with this video, but he wants to be in it apparently. Get your butt out of it, get your butt out! If you're new to my channel, I talk about all things green here, including plants, sustainability, and plant-based food, as well as small business things sometimes because I have my own small business. Where I make macrame home decor and accessories. I'm gonna have to leave this in because it's too cute. Yeah, so I may talk about small business stuff as well, but for today's video, Diesel, I think, wants to help me unbox some new plants that I got. So let's get right into it. Let's get into it. Okay, so I got my plants here in this box. It's from Fleur Collaborative. I think their website is floorliving.com, though, but I will definitely link it below. They were gifted to me, so I just want to preface that. I make content for them on Instagram, so we work together. They send me plants sometimes, and I talk about them with you guys. So what I love about this company is that they are a Canadian shop, and they ship their plants in recyclable packaging, so they don't ship using plastic. And this box is also upcycled. I love also that they're tape. Let me show you. It has their logo on it, but it's also water activated tape, so I love that. No plastic. I also use this for my small business, but mine doesn't have my logo on it. So what I'm just gonna do is cut it open like this. I love ordering plants online, like even if they're not just being sent to me, because I don't drive. Yeah, I have my license and everything. I used to live downtown Toronto for school, and driving just didn't make sense, so I never had a car. Oh, I accidentally cut this. But yeah, I love getting stuff shipped right to my door, and you can too if you're in Canada. So I have, it's just a little cute flyer with stuff on it. Super cute. So, Diesel, easy. Diesel, come over here. Come over here. Come on. If you want to be here, you have to come on this side because I'm on this side. Okay, come. Over. Goodness. If you have pets, you know what it's like. You know. Sit. Good boy. Okay. You can't see Mercedes, but she's over on this side, my cat, and she's trying to help me open too, so let's open. What's inside? We gotta lift it. We gotta lift it for everybody to see. So first, it's just packed like this. Let's open the Diesel. Ooh. I'm gonna reuse this actually for presents. I love reusing packaging for everything. Maybe we'll take this out. It's so well packaged. I'm gonna just take it out to get rid of this big box, because I think Mercedes wants to climb in the box. If you have cats, like, I'm sure they just love being in boxes too. So I have this one here. Cute. And we got another big one. This one's a bit lighter. Huh? What do you think about this? Is it good? Is it good fun? Hello? Knock knock, anybody home? You're so cute. You're so beautiful. You are. Okay. Moving on. Jeez, you're distracting me. And we got one more little one here. What do we think? Oh, he likes this one. Oh, okay. Just gonna get rid of this big box and bring these ones in. He really likes this one. He keeps licking it. You're gonna knock it over. You're gonna knock it over, buddy. And like I said, Mercedes just went in the box. Let me show you. Hi! You like the box? You're so cute. I love you, girl. You're my girl. Put this on here. Okay? All right. I think he's just sitting so well because he thinks it's treats for him. Okay. My pets will never let me do anything alone, which I've gotten used to. I actually like it. But yeah, they always have to be involved, especially that guy. Mercedes, don't eat the box. I'm just trying to eat the box. So I open this one. I'm gonna come a bit closer to show you when I open it. Okay, so here we have, it actually says on the box what it is. A Philodendron white knight. I'm so excited. I see these plants on Instagram all the time, and I really want to buy one for myself, or I did really want to buy one for myself, but I'm a student. I haven't been working that much. I've been trying to finish my degree. I'm in my last semester. So I haven't been really working. I've been working a lot, but not getting paid for it. I've been paying to work, basically. But that's what student life is like, I guess. So it's super cute, packaged like this. I mean, it's super cute, but it's not the cutest part yet. We'll see the cutest part in a second. Look at that. Do you see that variegation? So beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take this away. I forget what this is called, but basically, like, they use this. It's a natural material. They use it instead of, what do I see, like cotton? A lot of the time I see people pack with cotton, and this is a more sustainable material to use so that the leaves don't get ruined, and the leaves are in really good shape actually. So I'm just gonna remove that. You wanna help me remove it, Mercedes? I wanna pick her up and show you guys. I'm sure she was in some of my other videos, but in case this is your first video, this is my girl. One of my cats. Usually Simba's the one that comes to me, but he's sleeping. He likes to sleep a lot. She doesn't sleep as much. She likes to wander, and she's basically like a dog too. If she hears something outside, like, she will come running and let us know. But yeah, she needs to know what's going on too. So you saw what was going on. Now I'm gonna open this. It's so cute and small. I love it though. I'm a little bit nervous taking this out. I'm gonna do it over the box because there is a bit of soil coming off. It's still wet too. They shipped it, I think, yesterday. It got to me so fast. I love it. I think they do free shipping over a certain amount, but you'll have to check the website for sure. Yeah, it looks really good. Let me just get the soil. Because it's shipped, the soil sometimes comes out a little bit, but it was really well packaged, very sturdy. Okay, here we go. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Okay, so here I have, what does it say? I have Philodendron Green Diamond. I think they're all Philodendron. Let's open it. Packaging may be a little bit messy, but I love it because I can just compost it. Alright, and for the reveal. Oh, look at that. Wow, I've never actually seen this one before. Why does it smell good? This is a new leaf, you can tell because it's lighter green. Wow, it looks amazing though. It's a little bit wonky because of shipping, but there's a new leaf coming out here, looks like. Definitely once I get it cleaned up, and yeah, once I get it cleaned up and it, you know, get some nice sunlight, a good watering, maybe a couple weeks, it'll bounce back a little bit fuller and Yeah, a little better, but still looks amazing. I'm loving this new leaf, wow. But yeah, this is the, what was it called? Philodendron Green Diamond. So pretty, wow, okay. Next one, let's get to this one. I've been loving philodendron, but I don't have a ton myself. I have a couple trailing philodendron. I have like my philodendron Birkin. I do have a philodendron noble. Can you see this one? Can't really see it, but that's also from Fleur Co. So if you've been looking for a philodendron noble, I also got one from them. But let's open the next one. Don't eat it, Mercedes. She doesn't actually eat my plants usually. She did nibble on my Monstera Adansonii. She was fine, but I didn't think she was gonna eat it, so I didn't keep it out of her reach. I usually keep it away from Simba because he's the one that eats my plants. So I messed up on that one, but. So, last one is a Philodendron Silver Sword. I've been wanting one of these. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty in person. I didn't realize. Wow. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, some of the leaves are a little bit damaged, but I think it'll bounce back just fine. I don't know if you can see that like silvery sheen. Wow, they're so pretty in person. I didn't realize. That's why I never ended up getting myself one, because I didn't realize they're so pretty. There's lots of new growth on it as well. This one definitely needs a little time to bounce back, but wow, it looks amazing so far. I mean, it looks amazing for what it is and because it was shipped. Plants usually won't be in their best shape once they're shipped, but Fleur Collaborative, they definitely ship really well. Wow, okay, this one is so pretty. I think, I don't know, I can't choose a favorite. Look at that. Okay, so those were the 3 plants that I got. I really can't choose which one is my favorite yet. I love variegation, so I feel like maybe this one is, but this one's also pretty. And the Silver Sword, I've been eyeing these on Instagram for the longest time, and I didn't realize they're so pretty in person. And it's only gonna get prettier because now it's a little bit damaged due to shipping. I think it'll definitely bounce back though. This leaf looks broken, but there's lots of new growth, and once I clean it up, I think it'll be better. But yeah, if you're interested in getting any philodendron, Fleur Living definitely has a huge selection that you can get shipped right to your door. Again, I just have to say that this video isn't sponsored, but these were gifted to me. I do make content for them, so they gift me these, and I'm also an affiliate. So if you use my link, I do get a small commission. So I'll leave that down below. You would get 10% off if you use my link, but you don't have to. But if you do want philodendron, they definitely have a great selection. So again, this is the White Knight, this is the Green Diamond, and the Silver Sword. I love these names, they're actually so cool. I'm gonna show you now how I clean up plants after I get them. It might be a little bit different if you get them shipped to you versus getting them at your local nursery or at the store. But there's a couple tips I have for when you get new plants, when you bring them home. So I'm just gonna get right into that.